Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Education Abroad program easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your web browser. Type in the URL for the Education Abroad program website. Press the enter key on your keyboard. Look for the login button on the home page. Click on the login button. You will be redirected to the login page. Enter your username in the first field. Next, input your password in the second field. Double-check your entries for accuracy. If you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password if necessary. Once your username and password are entered, click on the Submit button. Wait for the page to load after submitting your credentials. If your details are correct, you will be redirected to your account dashboard. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the dashboard layout. From here, you can access various resources and information about your program. Should you encounter any issues, look for the troubleshooting guide or support contact information. That's how you log into the Education Abroad program. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.